The fight is done. We lost.
Alright, I'm here with a new Obi-Wan saber today. This one is from SaberTheory. They were so kind enough to send me this one. I'm going to run through absolutely everything this thing can do. I'm going to start with an unboxing first, then I'm going to go into the fonts and the ignitions and all that stuff. Then I'm going to take it outside and do a light and swing test. I've been using it for a few weeks now to make sure I get a pretty good review out of it. And I can say that I'm thoroughly impressed with it. Like seriously, the gesture controls and the volume on this are amazing and probably my favorite things about it. And I'd put this in my top 5 sabers. And I'm going to put SaberTheory socials on the screen so you can find them. And yeah. Alright, for the unboxing, it's going to come in another one of these nice LGT cases with the little switch on the side. Open it up, and this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to have your blade in the back, your manual, saber stand, the hilt, hex tool, USB, blade plug, charger, and your Allen wrench and your extra screws as well. I know I kind of just threw it to the side, but yeah, the battery will last you about an hour to maybe 90 minutes, depending on how much you're really going at it. It is dual worthy as well, so that's good. And with the USB you get, it will help you for all future updates with Neopixels and the firmware updates, and the manual will tell you how to do it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run through all the fonts on the saber. I'm just going to go ahead and say that if the colors aren't accurate to the character, don't worry about it. You can change it to any color on any font, and I've already messed with this a bit, so I might have changed some of it. So let's go ahead and run through it.
There's a cunning warrior.
You were the chosen one!
And he was a good friend.
You were my brother, Anakin!
Got some kind of a white on this one.
Darkness.
Jedi Fallen Order.
He wants me to be Darth Vader again. Serve him as I did centuries ago. Vader can't stop me now. Nothing can. Final steps. Luke Skywalker.
Codex of Light.
This one's really cool.
SaberTheory. Dark Ages.
Really cool.
Hatred. Serenity. The Champion. The Dark Lord Revisited. The Learner. The Second. The Teacher. Whispers of Power.
You overstep your bounds.
This Terra Malicos one is really good.
Did he tell you what happened that night?
People keep telling me they know me. I'm afraid no one does.
This is just the beginning. I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
You're hard to get rid of.
The Dark Sword.
Another thing to keep in mind is that when you run through these fonts, chances are some of them will not say the same thing every time you go onto it. They do have different like boot sounds, so that's also really cool. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and run through all the blade styles. This can be selected by holding the button down and then counting to 2 seconds really quick.
Pulse.
This is probably the most movie accurate, I guess. It's got a slight in and out flicker to it. It might be hard to see on camera.
Rainbow Blade.
Rainbow Blade, this one's amazing.
Rainbow Blade. Unstable.
Unstable.
Fire Blade. Steady.
Back to steady. Alright, now that I've ran through all the blade effects, I'm going to go ahead and run through all the ignition types. To get to the blade ignition types, all you have to do is hit the button and hold it down for about 3 seconds instead.
Blaster Blade.
Blaster blade. It is a blaster blade.
Ghost Blade.
Ghost blade. This is just a standard blade. I'm going to go ahead and run through the volume modes first. There's 3 of them: mute, low, and high. I'm on mute right now. All you have to do is have it off, hit the button, hold it down for 1 second.
Volume high.
Now I'm going to show you one of my Proffie lightsabers in comparison, just for fun. This is my Anakin from Korban. Alright, now you have stuff like clashes and blaster effects. You've kind of seen me use them throughout the font video, but all you do is a simple push on the button. And then obviously you can just do clashes, just like that.